What's up guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be painting some fenders using some Rustoleum paint. The color is a custom paint, so made by myself, but it's using Rustoleum paints, using 2 quarts of gloss almond and a quart of sunrise red. So I'll have a link to a video in the description so you guys can check out some other custom colors that I made using the Rustoleum paints. So let me go ahead and show you guys the fenders that we're going to be spraying. I'll show you the color, the materials that I'm going to be using, spray gun, whatever I'm going to be using to reduce it, and we'll just go ahead and start painting. Alright, these are the fenders that I'm going to be painting. These were on my Mitsubishi, so I sanded it down. I'm doing a full color change, but for now we're just going to start off with the fenders. So this old color used to be smoke gray. They used to sell it like that in a quart. So yeah, these are the fenders. Let me show you the color. Here's the paint we're going to be spraying today. This is a combination of almond and sunrise red. So this is the almond right here and sunrise red. So we just mixed 2 quarts of the almond, 1 part of the red, and we got this one. So yeah, we're going to call it Pepto-Bismol for now, at least till the car is fully painted. We'll see how it looks. And no regrets, you know. No regrets. Let's just paint it and see how it looks. To reduce it, I'm going to use acetone. That's to reduce the paint. I reduce it on a 2 parts paint, 1 part acetone. So I'm going to be using this. This is a cobalt spray gun. This I found at Lowe's. It's about $50–$60, something like that. And it's a 1.4 tip. And I've done many paint jobs, like Rustoleum paint jobs with this gun, and to me, like, I have other guns, but to me Rustoleum sprays better on this one. So this is a 20-ounce cup, so on a 2-to-1 ratio we're going to use 12 ounces of paint plus 6 more ounces of acetone, so that makes 18 ounces. And yeah, we're going to mix it in a mixing cup, strain it in here, and we're just going to start spraying. Lastly, the compressor. This is my Central Pneumatic, 21 gallons. I've been using this for many years. I've sprayed like over 10, over 15 full paint jobs with it, and it's still going strong. I already have a 60-gallon compressor over at my garage, but since today we're here at the house and we're just going to be spraying like small parts, fenders, this is going to do just fine. PSI is set to about 40, 35, give or take. And one more tip: if you're painting outside, spray some water. That way, in case any wind passes by, it doesn't pick up any dust. Here we go. this is first coat. So before I continue with second one, alright, sorry if I was screaming. But anyways, this is barely the first coat. So before I jump into the second one, I just want you to see how the paint stretches out. It's not that bad. This is the cobalt spray gun at about 35 psi, give or take 35, 40, because sometimes when you squeeze the trigger, it goes a little bit down. Don't worry about the dings. So far, we're gonna let it sit for a few minutes, and then we'll come back, spray the second coat, and alright, this is a second coat of the Pepto-Bismol pink. So there's the paint. It stretches out a little more with the sun. As you leave it out here directly in the sun, just baking as it. So here it is. Second coat. So in case you do get any bugs or anything that lands on the paint, don't start trying to take it off with your nails or with sticks or anything like that. Just let it be. Whenever the paint fully dries, you could just, wet sand and buff it out. So here's the color, Pepto-Bismol pink. Ah, geez. This is what goes inside the hood. Whenever this thing dries up, I'll give you guys a better view. But look at that paint, the color. Nice. Nice, nice. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for this video. 2 coats of Rustoleum is more than enough. Just gonna let this dry. I usually let it dry for about a week before I start wet sanding for, a buff. And we'll see you guys then. I still have the whole car to paint, so right now this is just like a sneak peek to let you guys in on what the car is gonna look like. And once the whole car is assembled, ready, I'll show you guys. I'll be sure to share all the videos of painting the rest of the car. But thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys spending a few minutes of your time here with me today. And that's gonna be it. Subscribe and peace out.